Gloria. I'm Gloria, and today I am making a very delicious dish. Shrimp and red sauce that I know that you and your family will love and will enjoy, especially for this time of Lent. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These are my ingredients. I have eggs, tomatoes, onion, garlic cloves, dry shrimp. I have here fresh shrimp, chicken broth, and I am ready. Let's get ready. Let's start making this delicious shrimp dish. Okay, my friends, I'm gonna start by washing my tomatoes. We wanna make sure that we rinse them really good through running water. Look at this. These are nice and red. Now I'm gonna wash my shrimp. They have been nice and deveined. And I have added my eggs here. I'm gonna go ahead and whisk them. I'm going to go ahead and whisk them until they are nice and pale yellow. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but this is worth it. Here, I'm gonna start with my onion. I'm gonna go ahead and just slice it in little pieces and reserve it aside. Okay, my eggs is nice and fluffy. The color has changed to pale yellow. And now I'm adding my dry shrimp, powder shrimp. We're gonna go ahead and mix it just for a little bit until everything incorporates. And then this is done. I wanna show you the consistency, how it looks and what is the texture. Look at this. It is nice and thick and nice and fluffy. Okay, I have my pan nice and hot. Let's start making our little tortitas. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding a little bit at a time. Look at this. You have to add enough oil on the pan so they will not stick on the bottom. So I'm gonna go ahead and just add the little the egg with the shrimp and all. My home is already smelling delicious. It takes a little bit of time. Once they start puffing up, then it is time to start flipping them. If they're not all puffed up, then wait just a little bit. It takes a couple minutes. Once they start puffing up just the way they are, we're gonna go ahead and flip them. Look at this. After you flip them, it just takes a couple minutes before they are ready to come out of the pan. They are ready. I have a plate ready with some paper right on the bottom so that the paper will absorb all the excessive oil. Of course, we want a very delicious plate, but we don't need all those calories, okay? So just make sure that you add a paper napkin on the bottom so that all the excessive oil will stay on the paper napkin. Okay, I'm gonna continue adding more of the egg mixture until I am done with everything. But I want to show you this step. It takes time, my friends, but this dish comes out so delicious. Really, really good. I know that once you do it, you're going to continue doing it at home. Okay, these are ready. I'm going to go ahead and take them out, and I'm going to continue adding the rest. If you could tell, the pan has no more oil on the bottom. What I'm going to do is just add some more oil on the bottom because you don't want to add the mixture when there is no oil, or else the mixture will stick to the pan and they will not get any fluffy at all. So what I'm gonna do, I added some oil. Now I'm ready to finish up the mixture here. I'm gonna continue making my little circles until I am done completely. You could eat them just like that, dry with tortillas, or eat them with the salsa that I made. Here I'm going to go ahead and add some onion. We want it nice and brown. I am going to start adding my tomato mixture. It's the tomatoes, the onion, and the garlic cloves, and a little bit of chicken broth. When it's already cooking, I'm gonna start adding my tortitas. I'm sorry I didn't film when I was making my tomato sauce. I'm adding my shrimps here right in between of the tortitas, and once it starts boiling, I'm gonna cover it right now, and it just takes a couple minutes and this dish will be done. I'll show it to you. My friends, I want to show you how delicious this dish looks. I am so ready to start tasting it. So I'm going to turn it off and I am ready to taste. I'll see you in a little bit. My friends, I am done with this shrimp dish. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward to tasting my recipe. I combined this dish with white rice, with a great salad, Greek salad. You know something? I just want to eat it just the way it is. I'm just adding some tortillas, and I'm going to add my tortita in the center, and I hope I don't get burned. Let's see, let me add it. I have added some jalapeno because you know I love spicy food. And let's see how this came out. This tomato sauce came out so delicious. Well, this is the part I love and I enjoy. Excuse me. Mmm. 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 My friends, this came out so delicious, and I hope you could prepare it at home. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, my friends, you are notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this shrimp dish. Bye-bye.